This is the start to our journey to Middle Georgia Motorsports Park. It's Friday. It's 1:45 in the afternoon. It's 4-car convoy. It's myself. We got Nikki in the front. He drives a white S14. We got Spencer. He has a blue Beamer up there. And Charles is silver Beamer up there. Middle Georgia is about 175 miles out from Atlanta. This small little course in the middle of nowhere, and it's awesome. We have no noise restrictions, and we're about to party for the next 3 days. This is about to be so much fun. And Excite GP is it's a little local competition for people in Georgia and pretty much anybody if you're willing to make the trip. It's not a pro-am or anything. It's kind of one of those run what you brung. The only limitation that you really have on your build is tires. It's not size specific, but tread wear specific. So you can only run a tire that has about 400 tread wear. That's about as low as you can go. So it kind of balances out the competition. So it should be fun. We got about 60, 75 drivers, and there's people that can come into the gate and pay as well. So it's about to be amazing. And playing to my advantage is, I'm not sure if you can see it just yet, but it might rain. And a lot of people hate driving in the rain. I'm not one of those people. So stay tuned. So we made it to Middle Georgia. We're the first ones here. Woo. Setting up camp. This is gonna be a very interesting, fun time. This is your first time being out here, right? Yep. First drift event ever.
Heck yeah.
You're gonna kill it, man.
How to remove tires from the bed.
Action Spence, this is your first time in Middle Georgia, right?
Huh?
This is your first time in Middle Georgia?
This is my first time in Middle Georgia. Yes, it is.
You're gonna kill it, dog. And Charles?
Hello.
Stay cool, man.
Yeah, no.
Some old school shotgun.
Yeah, we all need to drift and fucking like button out like shoot. Like,
all right.
You've seen the gossip video.
I'm gonna be the countdown. Ready? 3, 2,
If we did,
1, go. Damn.
Yeah.
There was a lot of foam in that.
Boom.
I don't know. I get that one the case though. I don't.
Boom.
Damn.
Boom's gonna go.
Damn.
Hold on.
So this is Friday afternoon. It's just a small few of us.
hey, I just got windshield wipers, bro. And I put my fuse.
You just got windshield wipers, dog?
You haven't had
Windshield
wipers
wipers.
this whole time?
Well, I mean, they were bad.
I'm not gonna lie, I drove. You guys did that?
I got bundles. I do have this stuff. I don't know what
Marks on my windshield, and then Kaylee hit the brakes and the tail lights don't work on the trailer. I almost crashed, so I was like, okay, I should probably just get tail lights.
and then we'll
Bungee this one.
Pro-image.
Yeah.
So what you guys say, Matt?
Pop out the mirror.
Hi guys, welcome to Formula Drift round 2.5
Drunk.
here at Middle Georgia Motorsports Park.
Lone Star Formula Drift.
We're here with drift driver Chris Forsberg and
Hey.
Von Gittin Jr.
No
Pro 3
energy
class.
drinks, bro. Black Magic.
Oh yeah, boy, Achilles Tires is really doing it this week. So 16 of you guys will make it. Like 60 something of you won't. If you did not make it, that does not mean that you sucked. It just means you didn't make it. It's hard to pick 16.
Suck more than the other.
Yeah, it's hard to pick 16 drivers. This is why I would never want to be a judge. It's super, super difficult. So even if you don't make it, thank your judges for sitting up there in the heat all day watching you ride. So we're going to announce the top 16 really fast. We're going to try to knock out top 16 really fast. It's only 3 now, so if we can get it done in an hour, we've got 2 more hours of driving. So let's make it a speedy process. And everybody, for those that make top 16, let's go cheer those guys on.
Yeah. Okay, to make this fast, I am actually going to call these names out in the order of your battle. There's no who qualified best, who qualified worst. If you qualified, you qualified. The name you hear, even with yours, so 1 and 2, you're battling first.
It was a lot of debating back and forth too.
We did have a sudden death just now to see who.
Would you just say this person versus this person?
Yeah, say that. Just say so and so.
Yes, yeah, we'll just do that. Good call. Good call.
Quick math.
Okay.
You say me 6?
So if you hear your name, get your tires on and get to the line as fast as possible and line up in this order. First battle, number 4, Dylan Crumley versus number 45, Drew Hughes. Oh Second battle. Number 24, Taylor Ray.
Yeah.
And number 11, Nick LeBon.
Bennett.
Oh, it's us too.
out to you. This goes out to you. Your rain on the top was short like leprechauns as I crush so-called Willie stunts and rapadons. Get in that ass, get fast like Ramadan. It's that rap phenomenon, Don Dada. Fuck Papa, you gotta call me Francis M.H. White intake like toast. So iron was told in shootout, stay low and keep firing. Keep extra clips for extra shit. Who's next to flip on that cat with that grip on rap? The most shady.